Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a mini Oreo cheesecake. So let's get started. In a bowl, thoroughly combine your melted butter and Oreo crumbs until a dough-like texture is formed, almost like Play-Doh. Take your dough and pat it down on the bottom of your springform pan. Make sure to get every inch of the bottom of the pan. I am using a mini silicone springform pan that I managed to find on Amazon, but you can totally use a normal springform pan if you cannot find a silicone one. In a large bowl, you want to add your cream cheese. Mix your cream cheese until smooth and creamy. Make sure not to overmix. After mixing your cream cheese, you want to add in your sugar. Add in your sugar and thoroughly combine until no sugar is seen. After combining your cream cheese and sugar, scrape down the bowl to make sure everything is well combined. Next, you want to add your 2 large eggs, but make sure you add them one at a time to get everything well incorporated. After the first egg is all combined, go ahead and add your other egg and combine thoroughly. After combining your 2 large eggs, go ahead and scrape down the bottom of the bowl and the sides of the bowl. Next, go ahead and add your vanilla extract and give it another mix. After adding in your vanilla, go ahead and add in your sour cream and give it another mix. Now you want to combine your lemon zest to your mixture and mix thoroughly as well. Lastly, gently fold in your quartered Oreos. Lastly, to your pre-baked crust, add in your cheesecake filling 3/4 of the way in. Do not add it all in, or else in the oven it will overflow. Now bake your cheesecake at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. Since my cheesecake overflowed, I had to trim it down, but feel free to leave your cheesecake as it is. I decided to take it a step further and decorated it with ganache, whipped cream, and Oreo cookies. In the end, this cheesecake turned out great. If you like what you see, please subscribe and stay tuned for future videos.